day. And one of the reasons I believe that as women we have shown ourselves to be good leaders is based on the fact that all humans come with feminine and masculine characteristics. Over the years, historically, women have been downplayed as second-class citizens based on those characteristics. However, we are seeing that even men exhibiting these types of characteristics, nurturing, caring, compassion, have also shown themselves to be great leaders. And I think once we can embrace the good aspects of both masculine and feminine characteristics, which we all have, we will all be able to coexist and bring more equality to the table. For me, I've been inspired by the prime ministers and female leaders like Mia Mottley. I'd hope to see her here today, and others like the wife of the president, Miss Michelle Obama. Seeing them in those positions inspired me. I believe at times I am said to be too caring and have said to be too whatever other synonym for female we have. But then yet again, after the handling of Hurricane or then Tropical Storm Fiona, my population also was very happy with the way it was handled. And it was through constant communication, constant collaboration. I was chairing the Emergency Operations Center during the pandemic, as well as the recent hurricane. And there's a group of men and women that respect the decisions. They give advice. We are also, I think, better listeners. You hear, you take in the advice, you weigh it, and you make the decision that's best for the greater good of the population, as most mothers do. We cannot expect to solve our global crisis without involving women or by leaving girls behind. So I agree with my colleagues before me who have mentioned we must make more opportunities to empower our women. As such, I must also gladly mention, hopefully I haven't run out of time yet, that our youth parliament, which convenes every year, over the past few years have been almost 75 to 80% women. When I was in college, our classes were also 60 to 70% women. But when we get to these halls, we are 20 to 30%. So that needs to change. If we are filling the classrooms, we are filling the colleges and universities, we should do a better job of being at places and tables where decisions are made. In the kingdom, we will continue to fight for full equality, meaningful and effective participation, promoting the SDGs 5, but also 17, collaborating for the goals. Because I believe if we disassociate men, we will also be losing the battle. We must include, just as we want to be included, for a stronger society, because for a family to survive, we need them both. And the world family also needs